Today we've got our Gladiator project that we're working on for DTO Customs over at our Waynesboro shop. It's getting ready to get all of the Hauk Armor and accessories bolted on for the last time. So the guys over at Hauk Off-Road have been working around the clock, filling orders of fenders, bumpers, and skid plates for the brand new Gladiator and JL Wrangler. Now that we've got our parts all ready to go, back from powder coat, we're ready to put them on. So the first thing we're going to do is bolt on our brand new Hauk Off-Road rear bumper on the back of this Gladiator. The next thing we're going to do is install our River Raider Expedition Snorkel. It only takes a few minutes to install and is truly the ultimate cold air intake. No Jeep is complete without a worn winch. To install ours on the front of this Gladiator, we're going to use a Hauk Off-Road bumper and sway shield. To complete this Gladiator, we're going to install our high clearance Hauk Off-Road fenders. The crew at Hauk Off-Road spent a tremendous amount of time engineering and designing these high clearance tube fenders for the new Gladiator. They really accentuate the large wheel well openings that the Gladiator has and allows you to run a much larger tire with a lot less lift. Next, we're going to install our Hauk Off-Road rock rails that cover the entire rocker from wheel opening to wheel opening. The entire underside gets treated to a full skid plate system that protects the oil pan, transmission, transfer case, and gas tank.
So everybody knows we designed all these parts and we have a really nice package for JLs. Well, when the Gladiators hit the market, we snagged one up as soon as we could. And we were really excited because some of the parts fit from the Gladiator and JL were the same, but we also had to modify some parts. We got to figure it out real quick and simple, and it was an honor to be able to have the DTO Gladiator to have in here and get brand new parts on that. There's not another one out there like it right now, I'll promise that.
The crew at DTO Customs have been using Hauk Off-Road parts on their builds for the last few years. So it's awesome for us to get the opportunity to build them a vehicle worthy of the DTO Customs lot. So now that the Gladiator project is complete, and we've put it through its paces and tested all of the systems and everything is good to go, we have Matt and Harry from DTO Customs in the shop to take delivery of their brand new Gladiator. We had an absolute blast putting this Gladiator together for you. We hope you enjoy it. Ready?
See it.
Wow. That's beautiful. You got 41.5-inch Pitbull Rockers mounted on 20-inch Raceline Beadlocks. We got our full Hauk Armor package. You'll notice the side DTO Customs badging. And then we thought, hey, let's bring back the old school feel of those really cool trucks from like the late 80s, early 90s, right? With the big oversized roll cage in the bed. So we used 3-inch oversized tubing in the back here. Made a custom mount for the spare tire in the bed. Kind of pops it up at a little bit of an angle so you can see it. Custom Gladiator badging on the tailgate. A brand new Gladiator bumper. A complete skid plate system underneath, which is our brand new Gladiator skid plates. We just released them. This is the very first set. This hydro blue is like our favorite color in these Gladiators. So we went ahead and color matched the fender skins and the entire skid plate system with that same hydro blue.
It's gonna be one lucky customer that gets this one.
Yeah, for sure.
So we just had the initial reveal of this hydro blue Gladiator that Kenny Hauk built for us and designed. Absolutely blown away. He again met and exceeded expectations for us. My favorite aspect is how that River Raider Snorkel just kind of pops out up front there. It's kind of like a stealth look, you know, black, and it's got the hydro blue paint on it. I think that there's just a great touch.
When I first saw it, it was those 41.5-inch tires that jumped right out at me. You see little things that catch your eye. I really like the way that the Hauk in the bottom with the skid plate stands out underneath of it as well, ties into that blue. It's just some really good color combinations that's been tied in that just really tricks this thing out. I'm old school and I like the single roll bar in the back as well, man. So those are really two cool features that I like.
So we're pretty excited. You know, the word's getting out now about the quality parts that we're using on these JT Gladiators, the JLU Wranglers. People are coming from all over the country to buy these DTO custom Jeeps with these high quality parts. You know, collaborating with somebody like Kenny Hauk and his high-end parts has just made it really exciting for us. The customer experience, everything about it is just really one of a kind. And we're super stoked to get this back and put it on display.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about this Gladiator, getting it back to our location at DTO Customs. You know, the collaboration with Kenny that we're gonna have going on in the future, there's gonna be a lot of great things to come. And again, we're just super excited and can't wait to get it back and showcase this vehicle.